Self-practice 5.5, question 2. Complete the network diagram below, given that the relationship of each of the following network is a consecutive term in a geometric progression. That means this is a geometric progression, this is another geometric progression, and this will be another geometric progression. Okay. So let's start with something simple first. So 2 becomes something and something becomes 8. Right. So we have a long way and a short way. The long way is you do calculation now. Okay. So to find this, what we can do is, this is, let's assume this is the first term, this is the second term, this is the third term. So the R must be the same since it's a geometric progression. So T2 over T1 must equal to T3 over T2. So we can put here T2 over T1 equals to T3 over T2. Then we can solve. So cross multiply, x square is 16, x will get 4. Okay, this is a long way lah. This is to do one by one calculation. You can do this if you don't know how to predict. Okay, but we don't have to do this for all the questions. It's going to take a long time. Okay, let me show you a simpler way of guessing. Okay. 2 becomes something, something become 8. So this one, if you always look at the numbers, right, 2 times 2 will become 4. 4 times 2 will become 8. Then we can check ready lah. Okay. Here 1 times 2 becomes 2, 2 times 2 become 4. So times 2 we get 2, this one times 2 we get 4, settle. Okay. Then here 8 becomes something and something becomes 1 over 2, right? So here let's try dividing it by 4. Okay, 8 divide 4 we get 2, 2 divide by 4 we get 1 over 2, right? So here divide by 4 we must get 8, means this has to be 8 times 4, so we get 32 here, because 32 divide 4 will get 8 lah. Yeah. So this is, you can just guess lah. You don't have to calculate, but if you want to, then you can just use the formula I showed you just now. Right. Here 1 over 3 becomes something, then becomes 1 over 12, 1 over 24. So 12 has became 24, so maybe times 2. So let's try. So 3 times 2 we get 6. Let me write it properly, 1 over 6. So let's check. 3 times 2 becomes 6, 6 times 2 12, 12 times 2 24. Settle. Okay. And then here the next one, 3 times 4 becomes 12. So 12 times 4 will be 48. So this will be 1 over 48. Okay. And then 6 times 2 will become 12. So 12 times 2 becomes 24. So 1 over 24. Okay. 24 times 2 becomes 48. So here must be 12, because 12 times 2 will give us 24. So times 2 times 2. I'm just talking about the denominator lah. The numerator is all 1. Okay. And then 3 times 2 becomes 6, 6 times 2 becomes 12. Perfect. So this will be 1 over 6. Okay. So this is how you guess lah. 3 times 2, this one times 2, and then you can just check if it makes sense now. That's it. Done.